Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how you can hide Kindle books on Amazon account. When it comes to hiding your Kindle books on Amazon, there is no direct way to hide it from your Amazon account. All Kindle books purchased or borrowed are visible in your Kindle library. However, you can delete or remove the book from your library using the Kindle app or Amazon application. Go ahead and open up your Amazon app on your mobile device and then make sure to sign into your account. From the home page of Amazon, tap on the human icon at the bottom of the screen. This will then open up this page from where you will need to scroll all the way down and tap on Manage Content and Device under your account. Once you get to this digital content page, from here you can see all of the books that you've added on your library. To hide the book from your library, all you need to do is to simply go ahead and tap on the See More button. Now, you will be able to see a couple of options from where you will need to tap on the Delete button. After selecting Delete, click on Yes, Delete Permanently. Remember that deleting a book will remove it from your library and your account permanently. You will not be able to access them again in the library or any other devices. Tap on Yes, Delete Permanently and you will be able to delete the certain book. Since the hide option is not available, all you can do is to remove the book from your library completely. So that is the only way you can simply remove your book or hide your Kindle books on Amazon account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.